Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Do you love to get first-person perspective in your videos? That's something that I've been striving for as a content creator, and I am so delighted with this amazing magnetic phone mount that I got from REYGEAK. So in the past, I've actually stuck like little tripods in my shirt with my phone attached to it, trying to get footage like this. It kind of worked, but I am so beyond pleased with the quality of the video that I can get now with this mount. It secures really closely to your chest. It's very bendable and soft, and you can get it very secure and tight so that it is not shaky and moving around, and you can get really good footage. I have a MagSafe iPhone. This just snaps right into place with the magnet and it does not budge. I'm overall so impressed by the quality and the comfort of using this neck mount. I never expected it to be so easy and just a pleasure to use. And that's my point of view.